travelers, welcome to or welcome back to Traveling Beyond Boundaries. I am Michelle and filming is my brother Jason. Welcome to the Days Inn and Suites in Strathmore, Alberta. Today we are in room 419, I believe, which is the top floor. We're pretty close to the elevators, which is a great location for us. Let's see what the room has to offer. So, standard bathroom, you got your normal countertop with a sink and some toiletries. And the toilet, always important in the bathroom. And your bathtub. Normal looking bathtub. Got a mirror at the front entrance.
Hello.
Your ironing board, your hanging up thingies in a recycling bin. Not sure how well you can see this area, but there is a fridge, a microwave. The fridge is actually a pretty good size. Much bigger than a normal hotel room fridge. Like, it's not just a mini fridge. Not sure what any of this does. Oh, that opens up and you got some
Under
little
the
bit of
sink.
storage. Pretty good storage. Like, it is like
Yeah.
a mini kitchen with some stuff. So this is the Days Inn and Suites. So I'm guessing this is why it's a suite. And then you come in. The lighting in this room is a little bit strange. We had to fool around with some switches to figure that out, but other than that, we're pretty good. We got a little bit of couch here, and we are in the double queen room. So we got 2 queen size beds with normal end table thing there, which probably has the Bible, phone book, directory. There are some USB plugs here and some regular plugs as well, which is really nice. USB plugs, always the best. Cute child not included. In your lamp, you also have another plug and a little writing desk. And then let's take a look at the view outside. It's Strathmore. I'm not expecting much.
Ooh, we got a
come
water
on.
view.
We got a water view. Okay, that's better than what I was expecting. I was expecting like the Starbucks. So, yeah, we got a better view than I thought. It's always nice. And construction site. Yeah. So, that is room 419 at the Days Inn and Suites in Strathmore, Alberta. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe. We are about to head on our 7-day cruise after a brief stop in Ontario, but then we're also going to be heading to Calgary and then Vancouver for an 11-night cruise in August. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow us on Instagram at Traveling Beyond Boundaries, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.